Hi everyone. Today let us discuss about a new topic which is very small, that is D10 countries. Recently this was there in news because UK proposed for an alliance of 10 democratic countries including India, which is named as this D10 countries. Okay, so this was formed or this was proposed for creating an alternative supplies of 5G equipments and other technologies to avoid relying on China. You may be knowing that now all the countries are behind 5G technologies. So one of the best country in one of the best company in the world now which can provide the best technology at a low cost is Huawei. But the problem is that most of the countries have a fear that whether this country will spy on this security issues. Okay, so and also there is a lot of disapproval from the US also. So most of the time US has imposed sanctions on this company. So those countries who are in favor or who are in side with the US are not ready to take service from this company. Okay, so this proposal has been made by UK in order to avoid this or avoid depending on this company or China. Okay, so other than depending on this China and this company, if this alliance of 10 countries, 10 democratic countries can make this 5G technologies, that will be better, no? So that is why United Kingdom now has proposed for an alliance to make this 5G technologies. Okay, and it is expected that they will raise this issue in the coming G7 summit. Okay, so let us see who are all the members. So at present what UK said is it will be containing 10 members, that is G7 countries, which have 7 countries in it, and along with that there will be Australia, South Korea and India. G7 countries are UK, US, Italy, Germany, France, Japan and Canada. So along these 7 countries there will be Australia, South Korea and India. So if you are looking at these countries, you can see that all these countries are democratic countries rather than China. Okay, so if we are depending or if we are relying on a democratic country, we have an advantage that sometimes the other countries like China may stop giving these services at any time. That kind of things will not happen with these democratic countries. Okay, so they have decided, under the proposal of UK, now we have 10 countries. They are G7 plus Australia, South Korea and India. And if we are checking the history, earlier Britain has allowed this Huawei company to build up about 35% of the infrastructure necessary to roll out its new speedy data network. Okay, so in order to initiate its 5G technology in the country, they have given about 35% of the infrastructure contract to this Huawei company. They have given only 35% because of the fear that whether they may spy on this country. Okay, so but now the reports has suggested that the Prime Minister of Britain has instructed officials to drop the plan to cut Huawei out of this network by 2023, as the relations with China is not that much good now. Okay, so they have already given this contract for 35% of the infrastructure network, but now they are planning to cancel or they are going to stop this contract with the China. So that is the history behind this issue. And the problem with Huawei is US is not at all in favor with the depending on this company, because this is a private company, no, and this private company coming from Chinese or China is definitely we must have to have a kind of fear. We must take care because sometimes they may spy on this receiving country. Okay, so Washington, what they believe that sometime this private company may spy on Western communication or simply shut down the network under order from Beijing. That is the biggest fear. One is that sometime this company may spy on the service receiving countries under the order from China, or it may suddenly cut the network if they are getting any order from China. Okay, and also many times, after I already told you that 35% of the contract have already given by this UK to this company, and after giving this contract, many times US has imposed sanctions on Huawei. So this has made a lot of problem for United Kingdom, because um, uh, uh, getting into a contract with a company, or which is from a which is banned by US, will be making lot of problem, because US and Britain is really having a good relationship. So, and another problem is that there is a lot of pressure from its own Conservative Party members, because they are also thinking that it should not be allowed uh, due to some security concerns. So they also told that it should not be allowed in UK's 5G network beyond 2023. So pressure from Conservative Party members, its own party members, is also there along with this US pressure. And also there was some issues going on with this corona, thinking that China is the main source of this coronavirus. That is one issue. And another problem is that new security law that Beijing put forward to impose on British held Hong Kong is another issue. So this Hong Kong was once under the control of British, and treating Hong Kong badly with the imposition of a new security law is also causing some problem between this UK as well and this China. So that was also one other reason for setting or dropping this contract with this Huawei. Okay, and if we are thinking, does we not have any other alternatives? We do have some alternatives like Finland's Nokia. Nokia, you may be all familiar, because we do have an era of Nokia phones in India. Okay, so we have an alternative option of Finland's Nokia and Sweden's Ericsson, but the problem is that they will not be able to provide 5G kit as quickly or as cheaply as Huawei. That is the problem. So the need of the hour is, we need some kind of new entrance to this new setup. So if some companies are coming forward for the manufacturing of its equipment as well as its technology, it will be better than they depending on this Chinese company. So for pushing that companies, we need a alliance. That is why Britain proposed to form an alliance of these 10 countries, so that we will be able to make a new company which can provide the best service for developing 5G services all over this world. Okay, so that's all about the topic. Thank you.